Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1992 ECE paper, and this is one more question related to the electronics. An infrared LED is usually fabricated from A. Germanium, B. Silicon, C. Gallium arsenide, D. Gallium arsenide phosphide. The answer for this one is C. Gallium arsenide. We will see. Generally, semiconductor materials are of two types. One is band gap semiconductors, that is direct band gap semiconductors. Direct band gap semiconductors. The other is indirect band gap semiconductor. Indirect band gap semiconductor. In direct band gap semiconductors, an electron hole recombination, electron hole pair recombination generates photons, which are main cause for the light to be emitted. So in direct band gap materials, every electron hole pair will generate a photon. Okay, if 10 electron hole pairs are taking place, 10 photons will be generated. In indirect band gap semiconductors, electron hole pair recombination, that is electron hole recombinations, pair recombination doesn't emit light. Okay, by that time it is going to be emitting, the energy is going to be released in the form of heat. So while the electron and hole are going to be recombining, at that time there will be energy released. That energy will be released in the form of heat in case of indirect band gap materials, whereas the energy is released in the form of photons in case of direct band gap semiconductors. Examples of this one are gallium arsenide, phosphide, and so many other things, etc. Whereas for this one, indirect band gap semiconductors are germanium and silicon. So LED implies nothing but which emits light emitting diode, as the name implies. Infrared LED is nothing but which is emitting the light. The light is in the form of infrared rays. Okay, so infrared rays are going to be in the near infrared spectrum. The wavelength of infrared LED is going to be in the near infrared spectrum. Near infrared spectrum. Near infrared spectrum is in the range of 700 to 1000 nanometers. The wavelength of near infrared spectrum is in the range of 700 to 1000 nanometers range. So out of these four, two are going to be doesn't match for the answer, because germanium, silicon, they don't emit the photons, so no light will be created. So A, B are going to be not the answers. Out of C and D, we should know which material is going to be giving the range as near infrared spectrum. Then we can say that one that will be used for the infrared LED. So if you are going for the gallium arsenide having the energy gap of 1.43 electron volts. So to know the range, we should know the wavelength. Wavelength of gallium arsenide lambda is equal to, we can go for this is the equation, 1.24 micrometers divided by Eg. Wavelength of any material can be calculated by using this formula, 1.24 micrometer by Eg. So Eg is nothing but energy gap of that particular material. Now we are interested for the gallium arsenide first. So this is 1.24 micrometer divided by 1.43 electron volts. So this will be equal to 0.867 micrometers. 0.867 micrometers is in the range of 700 to 1000 nanometer. So gallium arsenide is going to be used for the infrared LEDs. Then what about gallium arsenide phosphide? Gallium arsenide phosphide, GaAsP, is going to be having a range range of EG energy gap varies from 1.43 electron volts to 2.26 electron volts. Why it is varying is nothing but by changing the concentration of phosphorus, that is by changing the doping concentration of phosphorus we can get the different EG values. If no phosphorus is added at that time, it is same as gallium arsenide. So that concentration of phosphorus is 0. By that time it is same as gallium arsenide. By that time the energy gap is 1.43. But GaAsP, P implies nothing but phosphorus has added. Whenever phosphorus is added, at that time it is no more at 1.43, it will be around more than that one depending on the concentration of phosphorus. So this GaAsP is mainly used for red, orange and yellow LEDs, yellow LED lights. So for red, orange and yellow light LEDs, this GaAsP is going to be used. For infrared LED, GaAs, gallium arsenide is only used. So the right answer is C. Thank you.